with some of eminent and distinguished speakers directly and come out with a concrete recommendation. I am sure that the recommendation will provide strategy to be adopted for meeting in future challenges in this sector. I wish the National Conference all success. I do hereby inaugurate the conference. Thank you. Thank you all.
IPS retired Honorable Minister in Charge, Tourism Department, Government of West Bengal, for the other inaugural speech, please. Kindly, sir, address the audience before we do the lighting of the lamp.
Distinguished guests on the podium, honorable faculty members of Techno India, honorable delegates, students of this elite institution, I am feeling very proud speaking for you this morning. Proud as well as nervous, because I am basically now IT literate. We have gone through the traditional education system, which has seen a revolution in the last few years, or if not decade. And every day the technologies are changing. Education technologies, paradigm shift in content management, everything is changing. And we are really proud that on one side of India, we have students, we have poor students who have to be brought to the schools with midday meals, offers of midday meal, etc. And they don't have any education whatsoever. And we have those students who are keeping pace with all the advancement of technology, all the advancement everywhere in the world which is going on. So we are really proud of our India. But this conference must deliberate how to bridge this gap between our rural education and between our IT and information technology education. And I tell you, the popularity of this IT education, information technology, communication education, the advent and popularity is so fast. Multimedia computers are almost in every home. As soon as I took over as the tourism minister, a lot of people came to meet me. People of Bengal are very much interested in tourism, very much interested. I think we don't have so many people coming for advice as you will never find in other part of India. So they all used to come, even housewives used to say that you must change your website. The website of the tourism department was not showing anything. So we had to change our website. And then they were all talking about online booking, about booking on telephone, booking of lodges on telephone. It is spreading so fast. Technical education, information technology is spreading and is being accepted by all sections of the society so fast. It has brought everything very, very near to each other. In the tourism sector also, we were lagging behind, so we are trying to bring in more mayors so that people sitting in their houses, sitting in their bedrooms, sitting in their drawing room, they can know much more about the places they are going to visit, about the weather, about the car rentals, about everything they want to do. So This is a very important subject today, and the deliberations, I think, will be high class, and this institution, which is keeping pace with the better education, I wish it all success, and I wish the conference all success.